Alright, so what up, YouTube? Shit, I got a PlayStation right here. I bought this hoe maybe like 2 weeks ago. A week after I bought it, I found out the Wi-Fi antenna was fucked up. Because if I go far back there, it'll disconnect. And I think like a few days after that, like 2 weeks and a half, I came home, turned it on, and this bitch had like a popping noise or some shit. It popped and turned off. So it's plugged up right now. Let me see, I'm just unplug it, plug it back in, and show y'all. And this is what it does. TV on, HDMI in that motherfucker. That's what it do. Cut on, cut up. Cut on, cut off. Controller's still on. The controller gonna turn off in a little bit. But yo, that's what it do. I got Red Dead Redemption stuck in this motherfucker. This hoe would not eject, none of that. So I went on YouTube, watched a bunch of videos. I'm about to disconnect it and do it again, because if I try it again, it won't do anything. But if I re-plug it up, it'll do the same shit. So look, let me try to eject it. That's what it do. It ain't doing shit. Alright, so I'm back. Got the motherfucking PlayStation right here. I tried to beat the shit out this motherfucker, but this shit still ain't work. I watched the video. It was talking about maybe it popped because I guess it's bug infested, roach infested, or whatever. Which I only had this motherfucker for like what, 2 weeks. I played it for a week. It went out, and while it was out, I was waiting for the parts to come in, which is right here. And this is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is the power supply I had bought. I figured I might as well try to fix it before I get another one or whatever. Got the tools from Walmart with Wally World. I already said their fucking name, but yeah. But really, you just gonna need this one. I bought the tweezers and shit, you know what I'm saying? Just in case they did have little bugs, you could just, you know what I'm saying, pick them shit aside. Bought some alcohol, wipe down, you know what I'm saying? But yo, this hoe just came in today, like not too long ago, really. So, man, this shit really hard to do, goddamn. Bust this motherfucker open. So, that's how it comes. I don't even know if I showed y'all my address and shit, but fuck it. Y'all come for me, I got that on for y'all push that. Power supply. Bro, I hope they send me the right one, bro. Oh God. Alright, so this is it. Comes bubble wrap. Got this off eBay, and I got the Wi-Fi thing off eBay. Let me see. This is the new one. It was supposed to be brand new. It looks fairly new. You know what I'm saying? It looks brand new. It smells new. So shit goddamn new. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. I'm gonna show you my power supply that's in here, and I'm gonna show you my Wi-Fi antenna. This is the new one. You know what I'm saying? This shit came straight. There you go. Put these two to the side, and I'm gonna open this bitch, and I'll be back. 4 screws. Got one right here, 2 right here in the middle, and then 1 right here. I believe them screws are TR9. Yours may have a sticker that looks like this. Mine's only had 2 on there, which means it was open before. And I actually opened it to take a look at the power supply. It was not bug infested or roach infested, none of that. So I just blew the power supply. That's why I had ordered a new one. And I ordered this just to, I might as well shit if I'm gonna fix this motherfucker. I think the screw that you need for this one, this is a CUH, I think 111 5A. So that's why I think I have another PlayStation. That one is just regular screws, but this one you'll need. Goddamn! Come on, iPhone. The fuck? There you go. One like with the little hole in the middle, basically, so you could get in between. I'm gonna show you why. Yeah, let me see. There you go. It has like a little dot and shit, so this is what you need. TR9. But yeah, I'm gonna be back when I open this motherfucker. So I got the case off. These are the screws you want to get off. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These two are the Phillips, and this one are the TR9s. This one is the Wi-Fi antenna I was telling you about. I had to bend it back to try to fix it or whatever. I don't know if it works because I did that while checking out the power supply. So I'm gonna just go ahead and replace it. I was gonna try to see if it works, but I'm gonna just replace it since I got the parts right there. I'm gonna be back with you. All right, I done got the screws out. What you wanna do is come over here, disconnect it. You just pull it, not too much. You don't wanna fuck up this shit. And let me see. Grab it like that. You wanna be careful though. Like you wanna kinda pull it up because it's like two things. It's kinda like a plug basically. So this is kinda like it's plugged in type shit. And I'm trying to do this shit with one hand just to show y'all motherfuckers. God damn. Hold on, switch hands. There you go. So yeah, this is what the shit look like. That's the plug I was talking about right there. And that's what I was talking about, this. So y'all gotta be very careful with that. You see, I ain't really give a fuck. But yo, and this is the what the Wi-Fi antenna goes to, all the way up, all the way to right here. So yeah, I'm about to open this power supply just to show y'all. I really don't want to because I got a new one right here. I just want to hook it up and see if the bitch work. But well, first I'm gonna hook it up, see if it work. If it works, then I'll make another video opening this one up. This is my old one, and I'm gonna show you what the problem was with this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one too. So I'm about to put these new parts in and I'll be back with you. I'm gonna just show y'all really. So what I did so far is I took the screw out here. This is a TR9. Fuck that screw though. That's right here. This is what it looked like basically, with the little pin in there. There's a TR, don't get confused, and you need a TR9. Well, there's a T9, you need the TR9. But yeah, unscrewed it, basically, just lift it up. And follow this. You gotta go, hold on, I'm gonna just unhook that. With this shit, I'm gonna grab the tweezers. You just pull that motherfucker up like that. Unloop that bitch. And yeah, this is it right here. I know a guy was telling me it has 2 pins in there. Usually if it has 1 pin, I'm trying to zoom in on it. Trying to focus. Mine's have 2, but I still don't know what the fuck is wrong with it, so that's why I'm gonna replace it. This is the old one. You see how bent up it is? It was way worse than this. I had to straighten it up with some goddamn pliers and shit. But this hoe was fucked off. But yeah, we're gonna install a new one. Put the new one in. And hopefully this motherfucker work. This shit better work on me. I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off. But really, the parts was inexpensive. The new one was $23 and some change. And hold on, let me focus. $23 and some change. And this shit was like $6. Free shipping. Both of them was free shipping. It took maybe like four or 5 days to ship, so it wasn't too bad at all. So I'm gonna hook this up and I'm gonna come back after I hook it up, show you, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hook the power supply up. All right, now I got the new one in. This is the new one. As you can see, it looks new. Get the wire all the way down through there. Got it hooked back up. This is the old one, the one that's fucked up. Also, when you guys go on eBay to find this, and you guys can go on eBay to find this. Also, when you looking for this one, be very careful because I almost ordered the wrong one. I would have been pissed the fuck off. But it's certain ones for like different consoles, different gens and shit like that. Also, be very careful when you ordering this one because this right here, as mine's is 4 pins. I think they have 4 pins, 5 pins, and 6 pins. So whichever one is yours, order that one. And I'm gonna show you how you can figure that out. All right. I'm back. When you guys are ordering the Bluetooth antenna Wi-Fi, I don't remember what it's called, and the power supply, this is what you guys want to look at. The CUH115A. Whichever one is yours, that's the one you look at, the model number. All right, got the brand new power supply in, and I just hooked this up. Now I'm about to put the screws in, put the covers back on, and hopefully this bitch work. I hope it do. Actually, I feel pretty good, feel positive that it's gonna work. This is the other one. As you can see, this shit is dusty and shit, but it looks exactly like it. You know what I'm saying? So when you guys are ordering, don't forget to make sure you're looking for the same model number as yours, because there are different ones. You will be pissed the fuck off if you get the wrong shit. So yeah, let's see if this bitch work. All right, y'all, replace the power supply, replace the Bluetooth antenna and shit. This is my first time about to see what the fuck go down. So I put the HDMI in, put this in. I haven't plugged it up yet. First time I'm plugging it up. And let's see if this motherfucker work. Now I done seen videos, they say beat that shit. I beat the fuck out that hell. Only thing I ain't do was step on it. I think that's crazy. I say do your research before you step on the motherfucker. Now if it don't work now, then I'ma step on that bitch. I'm gonna be bad as fuck. Shit, but let's see. Let go. Make sure everything up in there. Bro, if this whole turn on, bro, I'm calling out for work and everything, bro. Everybody leave me alone. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. She breathing. She breathing good. So I'm going to open up the other power supply for you and show you what the problem was. There she go. We back in this motherfucker on me. Oh, yeah. Bet. So basically what it was, if your PlayStation pop and it don't want to turn back on, it turns off automatically. You can't get your disc out. Just check your power supply and just take it apart and check it. And YouTube, you know what I'm saying, and Google what went wrong. And basically you'll figure out what the problem is. But yeah, you feel me? Hold on. What the fuck going on? Oh man. Alright, there you go. We back in and I'm gonna show you the disc that was stuck in there, so I'm happy than a motherfucker. And before it popped, it was breathing hard, like a fat nigga just ran 2 miles. So now you can hear it. It's breathing real good. It don't even sound like it's on. But yeah, that's what pops up. AC power cord. Let's see if I go back here. See if this bitch disconnect. Hey, so I had 2 fixes. If your controller is disconnecting and lagging, it's your Bluetooth antenna, because I'm gonna go by the motherfucking door. You feel me? I'm gonna go by the door so y'all can see this. Before it would disconnect. Now it's working fine. So the lagging and the disconnecting of your controller would be this motherfucker right here. This is only $6. Do not take your shit to no shop. They're gonna overcharge you. $6. Wait for it to come. Buy you one of these from Walmart. It was like $12. Electronic repair. Walmart should pay me for this shit, because I know this happened to a lot of people. Let me see, that's what you need, electronic repair kit, because you need that TR9. She's back alive. Welcome back, baby. I missed you. So let me go to the disc. See if the disc still works. Baby, come here, baby. So yeah, shit, I just taught y'all how to fix the shit, you know what I'm saying? So